I'm Katie and welcome back to Katie's Creations. I do want to introduce you to someone really special. This is Finnegan. This is my new puppy. If you want to follow him on Instagram, I will link his Instagram. I will link his Instagram down below for you so you can follow him. He loves to snuggle. He's very, very sweet. Hey, good boy. We have just been social distancing, we've been staying at home, we've been going on a lot of walks, and we have been snuggling and having naps. Schools are out where we live, right? Yeah. Oh, thank you. So I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. If you enjoy watching the video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know that currently there is a pandemic going on. One thing that I noticed is that my nails are getting really outgrown, and although I do my own nails, I thought that you at home watching might not do your own nails. As you are aware, it's not really safe or responsible to head out to your local nail salon and get your nails done. I recommend buying a gift certificate, and that way you're supporting their business and you can go and get your nails done when this pandemic has hopefully come to a close. So in the meantime, I wanted to share with you guys some really creative ideas to get those nails off at home safely. I do have another video on how to remove dip gel nails if you want to check that out, but today I'm getting really creative on how to take off fake nails if you just have things that are around the house. First step is normally I would use a Dremel to kind of take off the shine or the first layer. I'm going to assume that most people do not have a Dremel at home, but hopefully you have a nail file. If you don't have a nail file, you can also use sandpaper or a buffing wedge. Get creative. So I'm going to take a nail file and I'm going to just start to buff off the top layer of my nail. Alright, so once the top layer of your nail has been buffed off and there's no shine left on it, what you're going to want to do is grab something to soak in acetone. Now, if you don't have just acetone, you can take nail polish remover. I normally use cotton balls to soak it, but there's a lot of other options that you can use. You can also use makeup pads, makeup sponges, toilet paper if you have any, if you've been able to get any from the stores, paper towel. If you don't have paper towel, if you don't have toilet paper, if you don't have cotton balls, if you don't have makeup pads, I'm going to actually recommend that you use an old sock. Soak it in acetone or nail polish remover. You can also cut up the sock to get it on your nails. And then you just want to let your nails soak for about 10 minutes if you have pure acetone, and then 15 minutes if you have only nail polish remover. Whatever you've used, take that off and then see how the nail is processing. So you should have some lifting. If you don't have any lifting, you will be able to feel that your nail has kind of softened. You're going to go back and you're going to take your nail file again, or you can take a cuticle scraper if you have one. If you don't have a cuticle scraper, you can also use a butter knife, and you can use the rounded part of the butter knife to kind of gently scrape off your nails. So you're going to then buff that off as well. And you're basically going to continue this process until all of the product has come off your nails. Now the final step for you is going to be to introduce some natural oils to your nails. If you don't have cuticle oil, no problem. You can use hand lotion. You can use coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can actually use olive oil. So there's lots of different variations to get those nails off safely and effectively without going into the world and infecting other people, or possibly infecting yourself and getting really sick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell if you want to see more from me, from Katie's Creations, or if you guys want to see more from Finnegan, or if you want me to dedicate a video just to Finnegan, make sure you comment down below and let us know. Have a good day. Stay safe.